I make a cup of hot tea. I make a cup of hot tea. I boil water in a small pot. I boil water in a small pot. I add a little salt to the food. I add a little salt to the food. I turn on the oven to bake a cake. I turn on the oven to bake a cake. I mix the flour and sugar in a bowl. I open the fridge to get some milk. I open the fridge to get some milk. I heat my lunch in the microwave. I heat my lunch in the microwave. I stir the soup with a big spoon. I stir the soup with a big spoon. I toast 2 slices of bread. I toast 2 slices of bread. I fry an egg in the pan. I fry an egg in the pan. I pour fresh juice into a glass. I pour fresh juice into a glass. I spread butter on my bread. I spread butter on my bread. I wash my hands before I touch the food. I wash the dirty plates in the sink. I wash the dirty plates in the sink. I wipe the kitchen table with a cloth. I wipe the kitchen table with a cloth. I dry the cups with a clean towel. I dry the cups with a clean towel. I put the clean bowls in the cupboard. I put the clean bowls in the cupboard. I clean the kitchen countertop. I clean the kitchen countertop. I sweep the kitchen floor with a broom.